Whenever I look back in the past, I realize that I'm one of the luckiest person who have reached where I dreamt of. There are millions like me who are still struggling.
Fatima is the strongest person I have seen in my life. She has seen some real tough time in the past. Her physical disability, no monetary support, and loan for her sister's marriage. Everything was tough on her. Then things changed for her when she joined SSN College of Engineering. She got full scholarship based on her merit. During her stay at SSN, she grew in many ways such as interpersonal skill, self-confidence, emotional maturity, made her to get into Cognizant during the campus recruitment. And now she is taking the responsibility of the entire family on her shoulders.
Fatima's journey is not a miracle. It's an example of how strong belief can turn tables of life.
Fatima is my best friend and now she is my colleague at Cognizant. Not only in SSN but also in Cognizant, she motivates all her colleagues and she has been a great inspiration for all of us.
Even if I could change or inspire one's life, I think my journey will meet its worth.